Alright guys, so when we go to close the hood, everything lines up in terms of left and right, but the hood sits lifted like this, so the front end doesn't sit as far down as it should against the headlight, and it sits really low in the back. So what I just did was adjust these two guys on the passenger, and now I'm about to do the driver. Hopefully that does the job. We'll check the alignment after this. Hell yeah!
Oh yes, okay. Good job.
A little better, but it can still come down more. That was too high. Alright, so we're on the right track. Came down, so this gap was huge. It came down a little more, but I think I brought it up too much because now the back is looped. So you just have to play a balance game with those guys. There's a bunch of hinges and different angles you can mess with. Alright, Shada, what are you doing?
I am putting the side, what is it called, louvers?
The little vents on the side?
Yes.
Isn't that built into the,
No,
oh, the back?
there's
The
an
ducting?
insert.
Okay. Got it. And bumper reinforcement's already been transplanted. Shada picked up a new grill. That's put on. And now we gotta get the little flaps for the headlight washer nozzle door things on. And then it's ready to be installed onto the car.
Basic.
It's bumper time.
With the light, it fits perfectly. closing. Sit on it. I'm serious.
No, it's hitting this.
Oh. Yeah, don't break that, bro. That shit is not replaceable.
Guys, so the car's all done.
Alright guys, the car is finally put together.
Look at this beauty, guys. Everything aligns. Everything. All the lines.
Around
You
the
see?
headlights.
This is what perfection looks like.
We just won't show you this part. So, obviously car runs, you heard it start, bumpers on, headlights are on, wiring is done. All we have to do next is send it to a body shop so they can realign the hood perfectly, so they can make these two on both sides, do a little bit of scuffing and paint. Shade, are you gonna delete these? Or
Yes, I'll delete that side marker.
we're gonna shave these off, so no need for these little guys. E63 AMG project
It's almost complete, guys.
Yep. What's up, guys? We're here, finally ready to get the AMG painted and aligned up front. We got Shada, drove it all the way here. Seems like the car did fine.